Hello guys and welcome to this video. Sorry for my scratchy voice, I've come down with a bad cold. Let's see what we have today. Today I want to remake Flappy Bird, the game that was made in 2 days and downloaded millions of times. Well, to make it we need the background first of all. We have 3 layers and the sun. After this is our bird's turn, which is the most important part of the game. Then it's Pipe's turn. The pipe used as an obstacle in the main game. So we do the same here. Well, now we export everything and import in Unity. First of all, we have to arrange objects in the scene and add in collider for each object. I made a spawning system to instantiate the pipes in the game. And now we have to create animation for our bird. When our bird flaps, our animation plays. And also I use parallax effect for the background. Then I created a scoring system for score and high score. And I added a 19-degree rotation to the bird to rotate after hitting the pipes like the main game. Well, I added another mod to the game to make the game more interesting. In this mod, objects spawn faster and the game becomes harder. And here is the gameplay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And if you want to play this game, please let me know, and I will add the link in the description. Thanks and peace.